everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm glad to have you. Today we are making chicken fajita egg rolls. Sounds interesting. Totally out of my comfort zone today. For one reason, I've never worked with egg roll wrappers before. And the second reason is this is the second thing that I've made in my air fryer. So we'll see how it goes. If it turns out, I promise I'll put the recipe in the description below. So let's get going. For today's recipe, we're obviously going to need egg roll wrappers, pepper jack cheese, mild cheddar cheese, chopped green chilies, chopped red bell pepper, black beans, chopped or shredded chicken, salt, pepper, and a fajita seasoning packet. Let's put in our black beans. We're just mixing everything together. So we're just throwing everything into this bowl. Pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese, green chili, our chicken. Let's add in our fajita seasoning. I love fajitas, and I just thought that this was such an interesting way to eat something fajita-like in an egg roll. I've never heard of chicken fajita egg rolls, ever. First time for everything. It smells really good. But here we go. This is what it looks like. Apparently, this mixture is enough to make 12 egg rolls. So I have 12 egg roll wrappers out. They come in the produce section of your grocery store. And according to my directions, yes, I know I have to read these. On a flat surface, we're laying out each egg roll wrapper and we need to brush it with egg. This is for sealing purposes. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just kind of brushing an egg wash over. It says to take the fajita mixture and put it on the upper third of the egg roll wrapper. So this looks to me like we can probably get 2 large scoops. You have to leave the sides open because we're gonna take the egg roll wrapper and we're gonna fold it in like this. There we go. And then we're gonna take it, oh boy, help. And we're gonna roll it up. Oh, look at that, ta-da. Okay, look at that. That does kind of look like an egg roll, doesn't it? And I'll be right back as soon as I get these all rolled up. We're on our last egg roll, and I only got 10, not 12, but that tells me that I filled them too much. So here are our 10 egg rolls ready to go. I have to preheat the air fryer to 400. And I almost feel like she needs a name. So if you have a name for her, put it in the comments below. But the thought occurred to me as well that this would be a fun family activity. Depending on how old your kids are, they could do it alone, you know, unsupervised, or if they're smaller, supervised, but it just would be a great family thing, bringing the family together. So she's all preheated, and if you look, there is the fry pan on the bottom, but I'm also going to be using this. This is an attachment or an add-on, I guess, that you can put in your air fryer, so that you can have 2 levels going at the same time, which I think is great. So we're gonna take our egg rolls, and I'm gonna put 5 on this, you can see. 4 like this, and then I'm gonna take another one, fit this way. I'm gonna put that aside, and I'm gonna take this pan out. Oops. Oh, I lied. I only got 9. 9 out of 12, but I'm just gonna put them in the bottom here like this. Now I'm gonna get this insert in here, hopefully without burning myself. Ouch. All right, I have everything in, and we're going to set this to 400. Cook these or fry these for 10 minutes. There we go. Hopefully this works. We'll see in about 10 minutes. All right, the timer went off. Let's see what we got. Wow. Okay. So the ones on the top are a little dark. Yeah, they're a little dark, but they look really crispy. The ones that were on the bottom, I'll show you those in a second, but these are the ones that are on the top. Like that. Now the ones on the bottom, they didn't come out as crispy. So they kind of look like this. So I'm thinking that the attachment that I had the insert that I put in here kind of prohibited the air from going around to get these nice and golden. So if I had to do this again, I would just do one layer at a time. This one came out all right. Why? I don't know. Right. Now let's try one. See if they were worth the effort. Well, they definitely were worth the effort. These actually taste like little mini burritos. So good. And healthy because they're not deep fat fried. They're fried in the air fryer. So you don't have all that extra fat. These are really good. I will leave the recipe in the description below. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone, on my second air fryer try. These egg rolls came out really delicious. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you soon. Have a great day.